Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam Sajjad with international news around the world. Pakistan not at fault but most at risk due to climate change. Prime Minister Imran Khan said on Thursday that Pakistan was among the countries most at risk due to climate change, even though it contributed less than 1% to global carbon emissions. Regional progress depends on India and Afghanistan. Prime Minister Imran Khan stressed the need for improving defense relations with Tajikistan after the two countries signed memorandum of understandings for cooperation in various sectors, including sale of Pakistan manufactured arms to Tajikistan. Over 2 billion coronavirus vaccines administered across the globe. Global coronavirus vaccine inoculations have surpassed 2 billion, according to an AFP tally Thursday taken from official sources across the world. The milestone comes 6 months after the first vaccination campaigns against COVID 19 began. US state offers citizens to win guns, trucks, cash by taking COVID 19 jabs. The US eastern state West Virginia has announced a new vaccination incentive lottery program for citizens to win guns, trucks, and 1 million cash by taking COVID 19 jabs. European Union to impose new sanctions on Myanmar junta companies. The European Union will impose a new round of sanctions on Myanmar's military junta and its economic interest in the coming days. Indonesia cancels Hajj again amid concerns over COVID. Indonesia has cancelled the Hajj pilgrimage for people in the world's largest Muslim majority nation for a second year in a row due to concerns over the COVID 19 pandemic. Iran says nuclear talks not at impasses, but difficult issues remain. The Islamic Republic and six powers have been negotiating in Vienna since April to work out steps for Tehran and Washington to take respectively on nuclear activities and sanctions for the pact to resume. UK government says it is addressing Pakistan High Commission's complaints after Afghan vandalism. The UK government said Wednesday it is looking into concerns raised by Pakistan High Commission against Afghan protesters who attacked the Commission's office last week. India orders unapproved COVID 19 vaccine. India signed its first order for an unapproved COVID 19 vaccine on Thursday, a day after criticism from the Supreme Court over its vaccine rollout that has left millions of people vulnerable after almost 338,000 deaths. This is end of today's international news. Take care of yourself and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad.